I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai Tucson. This is the premium, so it does come with a great specification and you've got a long list of features. These include things like front leather heated seats. You've also got satellite navigation, rear parking aids, and that includes a colour camera. You've also got dual zone air conditioning, Bluetooth for your mobile phone and a DAB digital radio. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.